It might be over soon.
So when we hit the tree, I hit my head on the roof of the car and had a traumatic brain injury from that, and also broke my neck.
Where you gonna look for confirmation?
It was an early morning drive I'd made a bunch of times, but that morning I fell asleep and went off the road. My truck ended up flipping 7 times.
So as I'm standing at the station,
Unless there's just no manual, nobody tells you
Nobody
what's
tells
going to
you what
happen.
to do, and they don't even know.
it might be over soon.
Tying the Drag came into my life through a friend that had been a part of the foundation before. Luckily, she told me about it. It's been huge for me, though. It's brought me back to more of who I was before I was injured, because I get to actually fishing something I loved before I was injured, and then it was taken from me. And Tying the Drags helped me get it back.
So I can speak into the silence.
It might be over soon.
Get some sitting with people that are suffering the same problems that he has. There's a lot of commonality there. I hear him talk to other quadriplegics and paraplegics. I think it's good for him to understand that there's other people that are going through what he's going through, and they trade ideas, and they, if everything from, wheelchairs to different types of medicine, I think it's good for him.
I enjoy fishing anyway. I really enjoy just being on the water. I never really thought I'd be able to be on the water again, and so I thoroughly enjoy that aspect of it just from the get-go.
Great organization. They do all they can to help you. I mean, if you need money for therapy, if you need money for an adaptive tool, or if you want to go on a fishing trip or anything, they'll do what they can to help you.
As far as Tying the Drag, I really enjoy the fact that I'm able to meet other people in my situation and see how they're living their life or how they're going through life, and also just to bring more awareness to spinal cord injury.
It helps a lot. Gives you some confidence in a dark area, I guess.
It's pretty special what they do.